Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and I'm bringing you another review about some amazing brand new leggings from Gymshark. It is the Mercury collection, and they're out of this world, girl. But before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be bringing you some more legging reviews and clothing reviews in general, as well as health things too, to help us feel and look good. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to go over the feel and look of these leggings, and I'm going to compare these to the Vital and the Apex as well. Let's go ahead and get into my stats here. I'm 5'3", 145, 150. I do have bigger hips and legs, smaller waist, if that helps you with sizing. These are a size small. Let's talk about that first. I feel I could have sized up in these to a medium, okay? The reason being is when I first pulled these out of the packaging, I was like, first of all, these are amazing. The detail is immaculate. So much cool detail here. And they also felt thicker to me compared to, going into some comparisons here, definitely compared to the Apex, okay? The Apex were pretty thin to me, and then to even the Vital, they were thicker than that, okay? So with that being said, I think the thickness made them less stretchy, and therefore I could have probably sized up. They were a little hard to get on. I was like, oh no, are these gonna fit? And they were a little bit snug around my waist. So it's always something if you're looking to get this legging, you know, maybe get your normal size and then try a size up and see which one works best for you. Let's go into the huge features that I like to go over. Number one, they are high-waisted, which I shall love. I absolutely love that. So they're high-waisted. Since they are a thicker legging, that I feel that they do hold me in, so I do like that feeling as well. They have a nice feature, just like the Apex, where the front of the hip, they have a nice little line that makes you look curvy in a good way. And then the back side, you also got that under the booty contour as well, which really accentuates the glutes, which I appreciate. You then have your standard logo on the top left, and then you have the logo again on the bottom right, which is cool beans. You got two logos that aren't that aren't tacky looking, but they're there. You know they're Gymshark. Now let's talk about the detailing more in specific. Like I said, when I opened up the package, I was like, wow, all of this detail is amazing. It goes all the way up into the hip, up into the waist. So the waistband also has the detailing, and then the booty also has it as well. And with the detailing, it is a little raised. So if you run your hand over, it's not like a smooth feeling. All these little lines are raised and have texture, which brings a little bit more flair to it. Winner chicken dinner on this little note here is that they are less see-through. Since they are thicker, I figured, you know, they're probably going to be less see-through, and lo and behold, they were. When I'm comparing them to the Apex and then the Vital, I thought the Apex were pretty see-through compared to the Vital, and these are the least see-through with that. This color is technically the blue, but let's talk about this. I thought, to me, it looked a little like a color group of purple, but I have other leggings that also were called blue and are the same color palette of this. So maybe it's just me. I have my colors confused a little bit. So they call it blue. When I got it in person, I think it's a really nice, like lighter bluey, purpley kind of periwinkle maybe color. But again, that's my opinion. You may get them and be like, oh, they're blue. So that's just what I thought when I first saw them. So overall with this legging, I really love them. They fit me like a glove. The one thing I'd say, maybe size up depending on how like your current size fits you with Gymshark. Try out the two sizes, see what works best for you. I know as I wear my leggings, they tend to fit better to my body. They kind of stretch out and contour to my body. So I bet you these ones would do that. And again, if you're looking for some leggings that have a little pizzazz to them, the Mercury collection is for you. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you want me to review anything else, drop them below and I'll link these up directly. It does help support me. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys later.